Today, here on our channel McPhee Feast, we bring to you from diverse aspects of life the fruits and foods we take into our body and understanding the benefits we derive from them. If you are new here, you are welcome to our entertaining, interesting, and educative channel where we broadening your knowledge more on the various nutritional benefits one could gain from eating healthy. Click the subscription button to stay updated with any of our new videos, like and share to help the channel. So let's get started with today's presentation. Ferocactus is a genus of large barrel-shaped cacti, mostly with large spines and small flowers. There are about 30 species included in the genus. They are found in the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. The large, hard spines on this southwestern American succulent make it look more like a menace than a tasty treat, but it's completely edible. Its bright red flowers wilt to produce yellow fruit that resembles a miniature pineapple. Their fleshy yellow interior surrounds a cavity that is filled with small black seeds, much like poppy seeds. The fresh fruit is tart and lemony with hints of rose and guava, while the seeds impart a neutral nutty flavor. Cactus fruit may look intimidating, but once you get past its spiny outsides, it yields a mild and nutrient-rich flesh. This fruit is delicious eaten raw, added to recipes, or turned into a refreshing beverage. They also exhibit a variety of biological potentials, such as analgesic, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and hallucinogenic properties. Ferocactus is a small genus in the Cactaceae family. The botanical name of aloe vera is Aloe barbadensis Miller. It belongs to Asphodelaceae, Liliaceae family, and is a shrubby or arborescent, perennial, xerophytic, succulent, pea-green color plant. It grows mainly in the dry regions of Africa, Asia, Europe and America. You can eat both the clear gel and yellow latex in the leaf. The gel, or meat, has several health benefits, while the yellow latex, which is found between the leaf skin and the gel, is commonly used for constipation. Though they're typically bitter and tough, the sliced-off leaves are also sometimes eaten. Purslane is a cosmopolitan annual succulent plant found growing in all continents except Antarctica. Although considered an aggressive weed in some countries, it has very important nutritional and medicinal properties. Any purslane plant can be harvested and eaten, as the leaves, stems, and flowers are completely edible. When preparing wild purslane, it's important to wash the plant carefully to ensure that no pesticides are on the leaves. Purslane is tart and a little salty, making it a great addition to salads and other dishes. Purslane is best used for human consumption as a green vegetable rich in minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acid is a precursor of a specific group of hormones. It may offer protection against cardiovascular disease, cancers, and a number of chronic diseases and conditions throughout the human life. Dragon fruit is currently grown in Asia, Mexico, Central America, South America, and Israel. Dragon fruit buds form on a cactus spines and are ready to harvest when their flesh is yellow or pink. Dragon fruit is generally safe to eat, although studies have reported isolated allergic reactions. Symptoms include swelling of the tongue, hives, and vomiting. This type of reaction seems to be very rare. If you eat enough red dragon fruit, it might turn your pee pink or red.it, also inspiring health, which reduces risk of diabetes. This fruit contains high amounts of fiber that maintains blood sugar levels and avoids spikes among people suffering from diabetes, reduces risks of cancer, helps boost immunity, good for digestion, good for the heart, fights aging skin, good for hair, healthy bones. While the saguaro cactus has become a symbol of the American West, the saguaro cactus will only grow in the Sonoran Desert. As a desert indicator species, the range of the saguaro cactus is limited to southern Arizona. There is no mistaking the look of the Sonoran Desert's signature saguaro cactus. Once a year, these tall cacti produce ruby-colored fruit, which usually ripens by late June. The fruit is full of pulp and seeds and tastes faintly like strawberry. It can be eaten raw or made into jam, wine, and syrup. Saguaro is known for its high amount of fiber contents, which frequently regulates the bowel movements and also aids in the proper functioning of the digestive system. The saguaro also has anti-aging properties within it, thus preventing premature aging. Saguaro fruit, which is the fruit from the iconic saguaro cactus native to the Sonoran Desert, is a nutritional powerhouse in many ways. However, its compatibility with a ketogenic diet may be somewhat questionable. In terms of macronutrients, saguaro fruit is relatively high in carbohydrates. Opuntia ficus indica L, belongs to the cactus family, Cactaceae, which includes about 1,500 species of cactuses. It is a tropical or subtropical plant that grows in the areas of Mexico, Latin America, Africa, and Mediterranean countries. Opuntia, commonly called the prickly pear cactus, is a genus of flowering plants in the cactus family Cactaceae, many known for their flavorful fruit and showy flowers. Prickly pear cactus, or also known as nopal, opuntia, and other names, is promoted for treating diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, and hangovers. It's also touted for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Sedums are commonly called stonecrop because it is often found growing on and amongst stones. Whether it is a low-growing ground cover-type sedum or an upright shrubby-type sedum, they all have fleshy succulent leaves of various sizes, colors, and shapes, like full sun, good drainage, and are mostly drought-tolerant. They are leaf succulents found primarily in the northern hemisphere, but extending into the southern hemisphere in Africa and South America. The plants vary from annual and creeping herbs to shrubs. The plants have water-storing leaves. Common stonecrop is an herb. The parts of the plant that grow above the ground are used to make medicine. People take common stonecrop for coughs and high blood pressure. Common stonecrop is sometimes applied directly to the skin for wounds, burns, hemorrhoids, warts, eczema, and mouth ulcers. The leaves of all the sedum species are edible, and yellow stonecrop is one variety that's most commonly eaten. However, eating too much can give you a stomach ache, and those with red-tinted leaves or yellow flowers are mildly toxic, but cooking removes this effect.